Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking in prerequisites and the first actions. Set a fixed bedtime and wake time and stick to them even on weekends. Once done, cut caffeine after 2 p.m. and remove stimulating screens 60-90 minutes before bed. Make the bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Aim for 16-19 degrees C and use blackout curtains or a sleep mask. While you do this, dim lights and swap intense activities for calm rituals, so your body begins shifting towards sleep right now. Once the environment and timing are set, build momentum with a targeted wind-down routine that lasts 20-30 minutes. Light stretching, slow breathing, or quiet reading to lower arousal. Make stimulus control strict, reserve your bed for sleep and sex only, and if you can't sleep in 20 minutes, get up and do a low arousal task until sleepy. Also, schedule a 10-minute worry period earlier in the evening to offload thoughts so they don't hijack sleep onset. To finish, consolidate gains by tracking sleep for 2-4 weeks, record bedtimes, wake times, awakenings, and daytime energy to identify patterns. Once tracked, add morning sunlight exposure for 10-30 minutes within an hour of waking and keep daytime naps under 30 minutes. Make gradual changes and evaluate progress weekly. If insomnia persists beyond 3 months or causes significant daytime impairment, seek a sleep specialist or clinician for cognitive behavioral therapy, for insomnia or medical evaluation as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.